I'm sure that in my country, the only people who knows Kartel is me and who's this girl?
Cool.
I'm telling you, the only people in South Africa who knows Kartel.
No, hold on. Where you
I'm not being funny. I'm not being funny.
So just in case you not hear what she say, or probably you not focus on her cute little South African voice. She has say she and her friend are the only two person who know Vybz Kartel in South Africa. So you see the thumbnail, you see the title, is Sean Paul bigger than Vybz Kartel in Africa, and the 8 for Vybz Kartel is global. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk, and I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard, and you know the drill. If a real talk me I go make, like the video, comment Real Talk in the comment section, and definitely subscribe if you're new and if you know a real talk me I make. So by the time the video fi end, you will know if a real talk me make, you see me? So big up Dancehall War because we get the content over Dancehall War, and I'm telling you say the platform it's very small and new, but it's very influential. Because of me and Gaza Uncle, me up on the video side of it. Me over the video side of the algorithm on YouTube, and Gaza Uncle that they over the live part of the algorithm, and we put out the contents Sean Paul on the masters, and that lead for a debate over Dancehall War. So I'm telling you say the 8 for Vybz Kartel, it come in all shape, sizes, all ethnicity, all race, you see me? All social class, whether you're rich or poor. The 8 I go forward in all shape and size. You just have to identify it, you see me? And remember say a great man always get a fight. There's no way you go so great and you not get a fight. The same amount of people love you are probably the same amount of people hate you. So the South African girl, me find it interesting and say me I go do a topic by itself. So I want to know how it go already. If you hear me talk something over here, so probably me talk about it over my main channel, or me go to a hint where me I go talk about, because me I go upload this first. So when me upload over my main channel, me can send them over here, so cause promotion same way, you see me? So me find it funny over Dancehall War now. Again, big up Dancehall War, because my sister the content it a grow. You see me, and more people are checking. You see me? Yeah, so them over Dancehall War, and them a talk about Sean Paul bigger in Africa. You see me? So she as an African, she call in and I say, yeah man, that's true. Sean Paul bigger in Africa. Then when me hear she say the only person who knows Vybz Kartel in Africa is she and her friend them, and how she end up know Vybz Kartel, she has scroll on TikTok. So let me tell you this. You see like how me not afraid to tell us say you have done Jamaican, like people at Jamaica, them love the music and thing, but them don't know the music business, or you can't just go to the road and ask a man something about the music and the man go reason nonsense with you. So we are gonna say, oh, the brother they dance to the music, or Jamaican dance to the music, you see me? Same way like how me not afraid to say that. Me not afraid to tell us say you're African dance, or is a dance African that she could have sound cute or look cute or whatever, is a dunce African that, bro. Just like how I'm not afraid to tell us it's a dunce Jamaican. So if you're African and you hear this, don't take it personal. We call Jamaican dunce every day, and if we hear an African attack like them dunce, man or woman, me gonna tell us say she dunce. Me not dep on the internet for sugarcoat nothing or pretty up nothing. So hear me now. You can't go up on the road right now. It depends on who you ask, It depends on who you ask. Who bigger? Vybz Kartel or Massacre. Depends who you ask. Probably you randomly ask a Massacre fans where one of them were up on the panel where I tell us a Massacre the goat and Massacre bigger than Vybz Kartel. So you go out the road now and you ask a Jamaican who bigger. You probably ask a bias man who bigger, and they might tell us a Massacre bigger, or probably the Alkaline fans you ask and they might tell us the Alkaline bigger than Vybz Kartel. And then probably go up on a panel. So you see this new age over there now where everybody can just pick up them phone, or everybody can just have a live stream and people call in from all over the world. Not because them tell us that them come from the country there and a this a go on in them country, that no means say a facts them a talk. That's why I'm saying I got build a special topic for this and don't just talk about it over my main channel because I draw out and get long. So you can randomly ask a Jamaican something and it's a lame man you ask, like it's a typical man you ask where Him just know say him rate a artist, but him don't know nothing about the artist, or him don't know nothing about the music. Full stop. Like probably 70% of Jamaicans are like that. Them don't know the music like that. You see me? So you can't just ask them and feel like say them can represent a country, like them can call in pan a panel like a typical Jamaican cannot call in pan a panel and speak for Jamaica. You have to have somebody who know the music if you do them something there. So she has say, yo, you can't argue with Sheena, and then you have some other dunce Jamaican in the comment section now. I tell her say, yo, I wanna argue with her in a fair country. She are telling her say Sean Paul bigger in a fair country. So the man must say to her, yo, which other dancehall artist forward at your country? She can't answer. So them say to her, say business signal forward at your country what day, and we see one will a motorcade. So if them know busy, them must know Vybz Kartel. And it's like the argument take a turn where somebody even forward in, and I agree with her and I say, yo, people even know Movado more than Vybz Kartel. So me telling you say the 8, not because we know say African love Vybz Kartel, no, African hate Vybz Kartel too. Cause she hate Vybz Kartel, because if you go over there, as me say, if you're interested, a dancehall war on YouTube and the video there. You see me? So you can go watch it. Watch the full thing and understand. And listen how she talk. And listen how she talk about Vybz Kartel for know say is a hater. Because from the moment you see if she continue and just say Sean Paul bigger, because him have billions of streams and all of them something there, then me could have said probably she don't really understand. But just when me hear she say I just she and her friend know Vybz Kartel in South Africa because she not even hear Vybz Kartel on the radio. And how she get discovered to Vybz Kartel upon TikTok. So she just attack for fear personal belief, and she don't know say there's a whole movement in a South Africa we love Vybz Kartel. Like when Vybz Kartel go down there a problem, because if you see busy do him do, what do you think I go happen when Vybz Kartel go down there? So is Sean Paul bigger in a South Africa? If you look on them Spotify, you go see say them the close. Them the close, bro. So anyway, in Africa where Sean Paul a stream, Vybz Kartel a stream the two, and you have parts in Africa where Vybz Kartel a stream more. So if I listen to her, she tell us say, yo, more people love Vybz Kartel in Kenya, and Kenya different from South Africa and a fair place, and she know what she talk about, and we are Jamaican and we don't know nothing about fair country. We don't have to know about your country if you know say you're an idiot, my friend. Like if somebody live in New York and we know something about the rap game where we study rap music, and you ask a typical New York man something about the music, and them will tell you madness, and you know the truth. You know say I not say good. So because them come from New York, them can't tell you anything where them feel like. Because you was a Jamaican, probably you was a Jamaican and you never take a plane go to New York neither, but you know more than him in his own country. Because that's not him specialty. You just ask a random man where probably him don't know nothing about music, and him just tell you what him feel. So she I probably want just a Vybz Kartel hater from over Africa. Cause remember, me tell you say, when you see it when him go on tour, bro, everywhere him go on tour, you see some people make some TikTok video and say them not understand the craze about Vybz Kartel, and them spend them big money go to the concert, and them tell us say them not enjoy it. Those are haters. Like every arena Vybz Kartel go, you see the video them come out where people are hate, bro. So him have haters worldwide. It's international. The hate for Vybz Kartel is international. Why? Because he's a global artist. He have a global impact. Yo, the same way like how Vybz Kartel impact Jamaica, same way him impact other parts of the country. So same way like how you have haters in Jamaica, so you have haters in Africa. So don't be fooled when you hear some people forward on some platform and them tell us say, yo, me come from Gambia. Vybz Kartel no bigger Gambia. Me come from South Africa. Me come from Kenya. And them tell you how them feel. You will yourself have to know. Because them will trick you, Yeah, just like how you probably ask a man who bigger and him tell us say Alkaline bigger than Vybz Kartel. I trick you, So you forward from a different country as an outsider and him tell you say Alkaline bigger. You walk away thinking say Alkaline bigger because it's a man from Jamaica you ask and him tell you that. Because you don't know the music, him tell you that and you believe. So probably because she thinks say who she talk to a fool, and she go say, yo, nobody don't know Vybz Kartel in South Africa. His music not even play upon the radio. Nobody don't know him. I just me and my friend know him. Just 2 people in South Africa know him. I think say if me today on the panel and she tell me that I'm not run her way brawling. All if I know my panel. So that's why I'm not want to call him on people's show, because Me not have them tolerance there, bro. I do not have them tolerance there with nobody. She could have pretty like money me run her way. How to somebody for know Vybz Kartel and you and your friend. That even makes sense for me that they argue with you. That even makes sense for me that they argue with you for 2 hours when me not supposed to even in a conversation with you in the first place. Like as I said that me don't argue with you, you know, because where you are going to say next? You can't say anything next. You see me about people. You don't know that one of the reasons why I build the channel for have sub-topic. Like topic where if me add it to my main channel, the video I go all 50 minutes and them thing there. So me just say yo, me I carry it over here so. You see me? So if you don't know a real talk, me I make like you have either to Jamaica bro, you have either to Africa. It's clear there was a stupid girl. You see what she say? You understand? So if a real talk, me I make say yo, it's just a mad girl. You see me? It's just a hater. It's just a Vybz Kartel African hater. And me see them before. Me see them in the comment section all the while. Like when them say, yo, Vybz Kartel I go to Africa. You see well for haters in the comment section we come from Africa. So, me don't know if you never know that say you have haters and not everybody in Africa love Vybz Kartel. Me don't know if you new to this or you not pay attention. We just dismiss our same time. We just dismiss our same time. But and everybody platform run the same way still. And again, big up Dancehall War. Go over there and watch the full thing if you're interested. And for me personally, I one of the best debate them when I see from it start till it finish until the little girl call in. I never did find it interested again because me feel like so them should put her in her place from early. And not because she sound cute or she said she come from Africa and a fair opinion. Sometimes you know agenda from opinions, bro. You see me about people who have reached the end, you know. Write in the comment if a real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. And yo, remember to watch the video where I go come up next. You know them always I put Vybz Kartel. You know them always I say everybody richer than Vybz Kartel, bigger than Vybz Kartel. So the video where the arrow point to, them I say Popcorn bigger than Vybz Kartel because him sell one goal in Canada. So if you're interested to hear my reasoning on that topic why Vybz Kartel is still bigger, even though Popcorn don't have more gold and silver, then you watch the video with the arrow point to. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
Real Talk.